Our phones are useful tools for staying connected, but they also hold a great deal of our private lives, including our photos, our messages, and even our personal notes. But there are times when a friend or family member will ask to borrow our phone. Maybe they want to check up on a sports score, or they just need to make a quick call. It's natural to want to help someone that you're close with, but it can also make sense to feel a little bit anxious about what else they might accidentally see. So today, I want to show you a built-in Android feature that acts as a safety gate for your phone. The only downside is the feature is completely disabled by default. Because this tool is tucked away and out of sight, we need to take a quick trip into your phone's settings application. The steps might look a tiny bit different depending on who made your specific phone, but the path is very much the same. So let's start by launching into the settings application. Then, we're going to scroll down until you find the security and privacy menu and give it a tap. Now you'll want to scroll down again, this time looking for a section labeled More Security and Privacy, because you should then be able to find the app pinning feature toward the end of this menu. And you can also find this by searching for the word pin, P-I-N, at the top of the settings app. Now, once you're here, go ahead and enable this feature, and you'll see a dialog prompt appear that you'll want to read through. And you'll also see a secondary toggle here. It's labeled Lock Device when unpinning, so go ahead and make sure to turn this on as well. That way, if someone tries to leave the pinned app, the phone will safely lock itself and ask for your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint before letting anyone back in. Now that we've turned the feature on, using it actually only takes a couple of taps. Let's use the web browser as our example. So we open the app that we want to pin to the screen. Then we activate the Recents page using the gesture or the navigation button. And if you look at the very top of the app's preview window, you'll see this drop-down menu hovering over it. Tap on that, and then you'll see the pin option right there. One quick tap left, and the app is pinned to your screen. You can hand your phone over and actually have confidence that your guest can only use that single application. The home button, back gestures, and notifications are all safely tucked away, and they will not be able to access any of your other apps. If they try to unpin the app themselves, then it will immediately lock the screen. And if they try to lock the phone or find another way to bypass it, they're still only going to have access to that pinned app that you set up. When they are done with your phone and it's handed back to you, you can easily unpin the application on Android by performing a swipe and hold gesture. But if you're using navigation buttons instead of those gestures, then you'll press and hold both the triangle and the square buttons at the same time. As long as you enabled that second toggle like I showed you, then your phone will instantly switch back to the lock screen for you. Just scan your fingerprint, enter your pattern, or type in your PIN or password, and you're right back in. It's a simple, quiet way to protect your privacy while still being a helpful friend. Now, I still don't understand why this feature is disabled by default, but honestly, it's something that I believe needs to be accessible on every Android device out there. And due to it being disabled by default, most folks don't even know the feature exists.